Hey everyone, okay, so I thought we would I'll give you my quick thoughts. These are such an old product, but it's a brand that I never ever speak about. And it is of course Chanel. Now, a long time ago, I had a very unpleasant experience with Chanel and it put me off, but I thought we would talk about them and I want to be as honest as possible. Now, I've had these for a while. I don't think they're amazing, but I don't think they're terrible either. And we're going to just explore some of the benefits and just have a little chat. Now, I'm going to just lightly dust this kind of all over the face to get a bit more of an all over glow. And then what I'll do is I'll bronze up the rest with a slightly deeper shade. Many moons ago, I talked about one of their products, which was the blushes, and I'm talking many moons ago now. And I just questioned why in the UK there was a lot less product than the US, and they did not like me saying that. We're talking, what, 15 years ago maybe? But it wasn't, they did not like me saying it. They did not like the way I posed it. I used the darker one now. So they were very unhappy, and I ended up having to go up to London HQ, and it was all a bit of a PR nightmare, but it just put me off. There's lots of Chanel products I'd really like to try, but probably never will. Now, it's not that I hate this product. It does what it says. I mean, look, I look more bronzed, and that really is the goal, right? It's just, I find that there's other products that work equally as well, if not slightly better. I mean, I look more bronzed. In the monitor here, it looks a touch orange. And I've also got this, and I didn't really care for this either, but it's really pretty. It's the medium rose gold. And it's kind of your highlighter, bronzer, and blusher all in one. I'm just going to take a big brush and just swirl it around and get all the colours on there. And then give it a tap. And I'm just going to go around the higher points of my face with this product. I don't know. There's just something about, I don't know. Whenever I see the Les Beiges, and it's always so pretty and lovely, and I'm always like, oh, it looks beautiful. But then I remember it's just not a brand I really care for. I don't know. But there you go. I've just done a bronze look. So I look bronzed. What do you think? Let me know. And I'll see you all soon. Chanel. I don't know. See you soon. Bye-bye.